Yo, what's good everybody? This is your boy Lethabo Mampana and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So if it's your first time up in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can become part of the family. If you're already subscribed to my YouTube channel, shout out to you. You and I are buddies. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can be spread out to other people in recommendation, then they can get to enjoy the good content that comes with this video. So guys, today is just another day in the life of a broke Forex trader where I'm simply trying to make my money off of Forex, trying to make money online in 2024. I know some of you are asking, how are you doing a day in the life of a Forex trader while you holding a ball in your arms? I'm a jack of all trades. Actually, not a jack of all trades, but I'm multi-talented. I can do so many things. That is not even funny. So there are some couple of pairs that I'll be looking at. Today is Saturday, so there are some couple of pairs that I'll be looking at, and I'll show them to you at a later stage. So I want to start a new challenge. So this challenge, then if you can also just duet this video, then or take whatever number you feel comfortable with, and then if you are able to count with me, you can just do so. So right now my aim is to start with 100, then from there I'll just make some couple of freestyles, and yeah, if then you can just follow along with me, you know. So let's begin. I will just count, and if you are able to count too, you can just do so. So let's begin. I'm wearing my flip-flops. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it, but I will just try, you know. So let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So, this is 100. So this is how much I made, or this is how much I juggled. And then if you feel like you can challenge it, if you feel like you can beat me, you can just do this video and do yours too. Cheers. So right now I'm going to do some freestyles. It has been a long time since I did something of this nature, but let's try and see if I'm still able to do them. So just like in the previous video, if you would like to duet this, if you would like to challenge me with your freestyles, you can just duet this video, or you can just reply with your own video, or you can just post your own video, then tag me on that video, then let's go head to head, you know. So right now I'm going to try and do around the world with only my right leg. Then from there I will try and do, like, I'm going to do it to the outside, and I will do it to the inside, if that makes sense. Then from there I'm going to do it with both my legs and see if I'll be able to do it. So even if I'm not getting it right, you can just simply pardon me. I haven't been doing this I had not been doing this in a very while. So let's go ahead and do it. So I'm firstly going to do around the world with both legs, one leg in and one leg out, which is my right leg. So let's begin. And just a disclaimer again, I'm still wearing my flip-flops, so anything is possible. I might not be able to do it because of that, but I don't want to make that an excuse. But yeah, let's try. Outside. Oh, that was inside. And now let's try with both legs. Ha! I did it. So right now I'm just going to try and put it here. Then I'm going to just do a couple of things with it while it's here. So now we back again. Alright guys, welcome back to my laptop screen, and here we are. At the moment we're looking at EURGBP, which is the pair that I will be looking at right now. So before we can go ahead into looking at EURGBP, let's firstly look at Euro USD. I want to show you guys a trade that I took on Euro USD as well as GBP USD. So as you can see on the screen right now is a screenshot of the profits that I made from Euro USD as well as GBP USD. And I took this account, the account that you are looking at right now on the screen. I took it from $10 and it went down to $6. Then from $6 I took it to where it is at the moment at $47. At $47, yeah. So that's where it's currently at, and I want to actually take a trade in front of you if everything does align as I will be analyzing with you right now. So but what I want to do going forward is I want to actually continue documenting this account, because this is the account that I do the $10 challenge with my people in the $10 challenge group. But then I didn't want to document it, but I just decided, why can't I just document it instead of trying a whole new series of growing $10 to $1,000. Just because I've already started with this one, I might as well just document it so I can show you guys everything transparently. So remember, if you still want to join the challenge of $10 challenge with Fibo Group, you just need to hit the link in my video's description and just register with Fibo Group under that link. Then from there you need to deposit a minimum of $10. Then I will put you in my WhatsApp group, which is a community group, but for a $10 challenge for those who registered under my link and deposited $10. Then whoever gets to $100 first, I will top that $100 to make it $200. Then they can choose to either withdraw it or to continue trading, as well as doing some copy trading, because with Fibo Group you get so ease. You get you get to relax with your trading, because if you don't feel like analyzing the market, you can just simply go and do copy trading with them. So I showed you how the copy trading works. If you would like to see how the copy trading works, you can just watch my previous video, but then I will also demonstrate on my next video how you can go about doing a copy trade. I will basically share more insight about Fibo Group on my next video, but then this one also you can just go and hit the link under my description of this video, then you can join the challenge. Then if you would like to hit me up on WhatsApp, you can just do so on +27 63 497 1886. You can just hit me up on that number, then I will reply to you, and I will actually just share with you how you can go about getting into the $10 challenge. So I've been talking, guys. Without any further ado, let me just show you how the trade on Euro USD went about. EURUSD. So let me show you guys. So this is how it looked like on 4-hour time frame. Just go to 4-hour time frame. I want to show you. So I followed price action here: high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So then I decided that this is going to the downside, but then I couldn't just say it's going to the downside without confirming certain things. So I put my trend line here and it confirmed the 2 touches. And you might be wondering why did I take this trade from here. Is because of some certain confirmation. When I saw everything was like this, then I decided to put in my moving averages, then to confirm my direction. Then I saw that the blue moving average is now below a red moving average. Remember, the red moving average is a slow moving average. Then the blue one is the fast moving average. So when the blue one is below the red one, then we are going to the downside. When the blue one is above the red one, then we are going to the upside. So what did I say? When the blue one is below the red one, we are going to the downside. I thought I should just make that clear. Then remember, based on this trend line here, I said that okay, we are going to the downside, but I couldn't just take a trade from there. I had to also add my Confluence by means of moving averages. Then I put them and I saw that indeed it is going to the downside. Then I said to myself, I was looking at this order block here. So I remember another member of my free community group, my community WhatsApp group, said that he was looking to trade Euro USD, and I told him that I will be only interested in trading this pair when it gets to this order block. Then that's where I will take my action, and that's exactly where I took my action. And when I was chatting to that member of the community group, price was somewhere down here, and it was just still playing around, and I was patiently waiting for it, and indeed it came and it tapped me in. Then it went to the downside with me. It hit my take profit. However, I didn't wait for price to hit my take profit. I closed manually. That's why you didn't see anything that shows that it has hit take profit on the screenshot that I showed you earlier on. So this is how I took Euro USD. So it was based on 4-hour time frame as well as 1-hour time frame, because remember, on 1-hour time frame, what I want to see happening is I want to see an engulfing to whatever direction that I'm looking at on 4-hour time frame. So I wanted to see when price tapped into here, I wanted to see an engulfing to the downside. So price tapped, but then we didn't see any engulfing, and it went to the upside, it went to the downside. However, still we didn't see any engulfing here, so it continued going to the downside. That's only when we saw an engulfing here. So basically this is where we could have taken our trade from, but I took this one based off of 4-hour time frame because of the limit that I set. So that's how I went about taking this trade. The next trade we took was GBP USD. I want to show you GBP USD as well. So as you can see, here is GBP USD. So that was a sell, and this is how I took the trade, and as you can see, it hit my take profit. So I think I showed you GBP USD in my previous video that if price doesn't come and break this level to the upside, then I'm not interested in buying. I can only be interested in selling because price had tapped into this order block and it went further to the upside, but then it didn't close above. So I was only interested in selling than buying, and I did just that, and price indeed plummeted to the downside, and we made money from this pair. So this is how I took Euro USD as well as GBP USD. So at the moment, what I want us to have a better look at is GBP USD, not GBP USD, sorry about that, but Euro GBP. So let's look at Euro GBP from daily time frame, and let's see what is it that is talking about there. So here we are on daily time frame. This is Euro GBP. So when we're having a look at it, it's kinda choppy, but one can say it's going to the downside, it's going to the upside, downside, upside, downside, upside. So one would want to debate about the direction of this currency pair. But then if we can just put a trend line from here, we can clearly see that this is going to the downside. All right, and this is going to the downside. It's clearly going to the downside. We can visibly see that, right? You can see that this is a flag, but then it's going to the downside. All right, so let's just follow price action and see if indeed it is going to the upside, I mean to the downside. So I'm just going to start it from here. So that is our high, and this is low, lower high. I don't know why it didn't delete this one. And now I'm just going to quickly make this one a lower low, lower high, and so we expect a lower low from here. All right, so we are still expecting to go to the downside to break this level here to put in our new lower low. All right, so we expect price to further go to the downside. So what I mean is that we are now going to the downside. We confirmed by following price action, but then we can't just take that for I don't know how to put it. We can't just take that for it, but we have to also add Confluence. So I add Confluence by adding my moving averages. So this is the slow moving average. You see the red one is a slow moving average. Then if the blue moving average is above this red moving average, then I will say that we are going to the upside. But then should I see the blue one coming at the bottom of this red one, then I know that we are going to the downside, and it adds Confluence with this trend line as well as following price action. Right, so then now let me add the fast moving average and see what's going on. Okay, so there we have a fast moving average, and as you can have a clear look here is that if you can just focus your eyes here, we are here. Look at this price here. I'm sorry about that, but I want you to focus here. So here, as you can see, price went to the downside, it almost went to the upside, but now price is below all these moving averages, meaning that we are going to the downside as the trend line suggested, as price action also suggested. So we are going to the downside. So that's a clear Confluence. So now let's move to 4-hour time frame and see if we will be able to see anything there. So remember, even when we get to 4-hour time frame, we still need to follow price action. So let's just follow price action from this piece of price action that we having a look at here. So we have a high, low, lower high. I would say lower low, lower high, and I would say lower low here, lower high, lower low. So now here we have a change of character, but I wouldn't say that this is a clear change of character. So let me just explain quickly to you why I wouldn't take this as a change of character. So it's because, as you can see, price impulsively went to the upside. However, sellers came into play and they overtook, or they overpowered the buyers. So as you can see, there wasn't any body close above this lower high here, so we can still consider this an invalid change of character. So I'm not looking at this one to be my change of character. So ideally, what I would like to see happening from here right now is I want to see price moving to the downside, engulfing this green candle here. I want to see price engulfing this candle here and going to the downside. Then I would clearly say that we are going to the downside here on 4-hour time frame, because now we have touched this moving average and we almost touched our slow moving average. So I'm not sure, guys, if I'm making sense. If I'm maybe I'm leaving you behind, you can just simply leave me a comment in the comment section down below so that we can talk about it. Then you can have a better understanding of what is it that I'm doing. I will clearly explain everything to you. So now I'm saying that we are still going to the downside, because now here we had our break of structure to the downside, and we believe that this was our change of character. But then when we have a better a view of it, this wasn't a change of character, because it was only with wicks but not a body. So we are still going to the downside according to what I see here. So it's fine, we're going to the downside. Let's now see on 1 hour time frame, let's see what is happening down there. So when we get to 1 hour time frame, we can see here that price went up impulsively, making you believe that indeed we are going to the upside, and it also went over our moving averages. So what we're waiting to see happening here, we want to see, for us to take a trade to the upside, we want to see these moving averages here cross. We want to see the blue moving average coming above the red moving average. But at the moment, we are still willing to sell, and I'm going to sell just in front of you because I see an opportunity. Why am I saying I'm seeing an opportunity? When I come to 1 hour time frame right now, as you can see, price touched this moving average, the blue one down here. I wanted to highlight so I can show you. Okay, it touched this moving average here, right? Then it didn't engulf to the downside. It went on to touch this one here as well. It didn't engulf to the downside, so it kept on going to the upside. But then on 1 hour, on daily time frame as well as 4 hour time frame, we know this pair to be going to the downside. So anything that is, it has to do on 1 hour with going to the upside, we're not going to entertain it unless 4 hour time frame as well as daily time frame says so. So we want to see everything aligning. So then what is it that we are going to look at when we get to 1 hour time frame? We want to see moving averages, the blue one below the red one. Okay, that's number one. Number two, we want to see price engulfing to the downside, right? We want to see a bearish engulfing, right? So, and this is exactly what we got here. As you can see, this black candle, this downgoing candle here, this downgoing candle here engulfed the green one, the upgoing candle. So this was where we should actually put our trade from, but then because it is only now we analyze them, we're going to put our trade from here. But let me just highlight this one to say that we took a trade from here, or let me say this is where we should have took our trade, and we are definitely going to put our stop loss up there. That's where we're going to put our stop loss, which is only 21 pips, and which is fair enough. And ideally we're going to put our take profit here, but for a full take profit we are targeting this level here on or from daily time frame. So this is how the cookie crumbles with EURGBP. So I want to actually execute in front of you. All right, just as I said, I want to execute just in front of you so that you can see what is it that I'm doing. And like I said, I want to start documenting this this account until I get to $1,000, not $100, but $1,000. So basically this is how I'm bringing back the season 3 of growing $10 to $1,000. But I know that it is already on $47.15, but just come along with me, then we can get this account to $1,000. And when we get to $1,000, I'm going to run a giveaway, so you have to stay tuned, and I will ask you a few questions in order for you to win that giveaway. So I will announce the giveaway once we get to $1,000. So right, what is it that we want to trade? Is EURGBP. Where is it? EURGBP. There we have it, and we want to trade it. I actually don't see a point of me coming to the chart because I already analyzed on here on trading view. So that's what we're going to do. And what is our stop loss? 85691. And what is our take profit? Let me just scroll down here. Our take profit is 84916. 84916. And now let's sell. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this, and I will keep you guys posted with how this trade is going. And then if I'm adding new positions on this account, I will also let you guys know. So remember, if you want to still join us on a $10 challenge, you need to join via Fibo Group. So you need to go into this video's description, register your account. Then once it's registered, you can just confirm your details by uploading your FICA documents. Then from there, you deposit a minimum of $10. Then you hit me up on my WhatsApp number that I gave. Then I will put you in that group. Then whoever that gets to $100 first will get to win themselves another $100. Then they can do whatever they want with that extra $100. So this is how the cookie crumbles on EURGBP, and that's how the cookie crumbled on Euro USD as well as GBP USD. And this has been your boy Lethabo Mampana Tisana, and I'm out. Peace.